I'm Vin of the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by the Bitcoin 2023 conference in Miami Beach, Florida, May 18th through 20th. Head down, check out 15,000 plus attendees, 2,000 plus companies, and 150 plus speakers, including people like Matt Odell, Alex Gladstein, Lynn Alden, Michael Saylor, and many more to be announced. This will be my 4th time attending. Don't miss it. b.tc/conference. Use code BTC Sessions at checkout for 10% off. You know, what goals do you have for yourself as a Bitcoiner in the next 5 years?
So it's funny you asked this question, because I immediately thought to a work appraisal I had maybe 6 months ago, where they were like, "Oh, what are your goals?" And I was like, "Oh, I want to orange pill 10 million people." And they're like, "No, your goal's at work." I was like, "That is my goal at work." And so yeah, I really want to orange pill 10 million people in whatever way I can. I mean, I'm currently a bit of a one-man band doing this, but I think that my work is to some extent helping towards that mission, that cause. And yeah, I mean even tonight, it's 1 o'clock in the morning here, a Christmas party at my girlfriend's family's house. And my girlfriend walked over and did that thing of being like, "Please just don't try and orange pill everyone tonight." And I was like, "Oh, come on, I'm just having a nice chat." And then before we know it, she comes over and there's like, I've given some sats to her mum's, her family friend of his. But he was like, "Oh, like, aren't you the person that's into Bitcoin?" I was like, "Well, I've been told not to talk about it, so I can't really speak overtly about it." And then he was like, "Oh, I knew this guy once that was mining in like 2012. And I was like, "Oh yeah, it's advanced a bit from then." And you know, we got talking before we know it, you know, and obviously my girlfriend walks over the moment that he's downloaded Wallet of Satoshi, and I've sent him some sats. So, you know, he wins some, you lose some, right? But I mean, I don't know, like it's that's my goal. That's what I'd like to work towards. And I think that it's also a lot of fun doing this. Maybe I'm in the obsession stage, fascination stage. I mean, perhaps Samson's out of this now and has, you know, a strategy and a way of approaching these things. But yeah, I get a lot of joy out of what I do, and that's probably why I'm still doing it. And yeah, I just want to do it more and more. Yeah. So if I could ask any of the viewers watching this, then also try it. You know, why not just send a few sats to someone? It's not going to hurt.
Joe, your goal for 2023 is to get your rejection rate on the street down to under 50%.
Thank you, Samson. These are good KPIs.